Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Lending Club easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin budgeting with Lending Club, first, visit their official website. Create an account by clicking on the sign up button. Fill out the required personal information, including your name, email address, and phone number. Once your account is created, log in to access the dashboard. Navigate to the budgeting tools available on the platform. Select the option that states Create a Budget or similar. Input your monthly income in the designated field. Next, list all your monthly expenses, such as rent, utilities, groceries, and transportation. Be thorough with your expense categories to ensure an accurate budget. After entering your expenses, review the totals presented by Lending Club's tool. Adjust any categories if necessary to align with your financial goals. Explore recommendations for improving your budget if they are offered. Consider setting up automatic transfers to a savings account for financial goals. Utilize the visual tools offered, such as charts and graphs, to better understand your spending habits. Save your budget to review it regularly and make necessary adjustments. Finally, take the time to periodically reassess your budget as income or expenses change. Remember to keep your financial information secure by using strong passwords. With these steps, you can effectively budget using Lending Club's platform. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.